everybody and welcome back to Max Berry Productions. My name is Max Berry and first of all I'd like to apologise that I haven't made a video in ages really. I've been busy doing commercial projects, some radio stuff, my podcast which you may or may not have seen in the column, but we're back now in the summer months and the sun's out, so I thought we should make a video. And my reason for making a video today is because my SEAT Ibiza is, well, broken. It's not a hugely technical problem, it's not undrivable, but it is quite annoying and it is fundamentally broken. So, as you may well have seen previously on my channel, about 6 months ago, I put together a review of this car in question, my own SEAT Ibiza FR. On the whole, it went fairly well. I drove around Exmoor a bit, we went around some corners in an exuberant manner, and I said some emotional things about the car. But you may also remember that I said this.
And the front end is closer to the ground than a Lady Beaver's beaver.
The whole car drags its chin along like some sort of snowplow.
And then this happened.
Oh.
Now the damage done whilst filming that video is probably very limited, but take that horrible crunching noise and repeat it hundreds and hundreds of times, as indeed I probably have using my SEAT Ibiza every day, and I can report eventually some damage will be done. And by damage, I mean the undertray, which is a plastic thing on the underside of the car, is now sort of hanging off. So the front's still attached, but the back drapes down and catches stones and sticks and dead squirrels, and no one really wants that. So I've left it a couple of weeks in the hope that maybe it'll fall off or just go away like so many problems do, but it turns out it hasn't. So I thought, let's just get on with it, get it mended, and that's what we're going to do. Welcome to Max Berry Productions, let's go and mend that car.
Come off! That doesn't sound good! Welcome to Columpton, the hallmark of quality. There's a coral insurance place, a butcher's, lash studio, so that's good. There's a man walking his dog. Come on, yes. Yes, no, yes. Should I go in there? Or do you want to go in there? Oh. Or do you want to? Are you going in there or shall I go? Okay, what's going on? I'm getting given the wave, the universal sign of move on. Thanks. He's going to hit me with his forklift on the head. That's fine, that's nothing to worry about. Well, there we go, everybody. That is my SEAT Ibiza mended. So yeah, I don't really know the way home. I'm just driving along this road. Is it right? So let's cut now and go to a montage of me washing the car. That's a thing people do.
Well, there we go, everybody. At last, my SEAT Ibiza FR is mended. And by mended, I of course mean it has a new piece of plastic screwed to the underside. What really could be more exciting than that? I'd like to thank Position 1 Race and Performance Equipment Limited, and I will be paying your invoice soon-ish.